This exercise is going to be the DNS half kneeling position. This exercise is really great for a couple of different things, for pelvic stability and control, as well as working on knee health and good knee stability as it works that inner quad or your VML, as well as getting really great glute activation on the knee that's down. And I'll explain what that looks like here in a moment. So I'm going to be doing this exercise in two different ways so you can kind of see two different views. There's a couple cues that are really important for this exercise that I'll be going over. So if we want to work the right side or the right glute and hip, I want that side kneeling down. So I'll come through and step forward with my left leg. Now the really important cues to have here is I actually want this knee a little bit farther out than right underneath your hip. I don't want you stacked like this. So you're going to go a little bit farther out. And the second thing to do is to line up your heels in line. So if you need to move your back heel or your front heel, I want these nice and in line here. Then what I'm looking for is good even pressure through that front foot. I want pressure all toes down. I don't want toes coming up. And then your femur or your long bone here is going to be facing that direction. So what we're going to be doing next is to get good activation and already starting that glute activation. You're going to keep your torso and your pelvis all in line and connected as one. So I don't want you turning towards your knee that's up here, so our left knee, just with my chest. I want it all coming as one. So imagine there's a rod here that's connecting it, keeping it as one. So finding good even weight and pressure between both legs. I don't want it just on the leg that's up and just on the leg that's down. You're gonna turn your pelvis and torso together towards this knee that is up. You should already start feeling that glute activation. From here, we're gonna stay nice and tall, and you're gonna slowly hinge back like you're sitting in a chair and come back up. You shouldn't have to go far with already having to feel that glute activation and also work inside the knee. So here, and slowly hinge back. And they'll show it from the side as well. So again, if you're working the right side, it'll be down, stepping forward. Our femur is going to be a little bit out at an angle, and then making sure that my heels are in line. Toes are down. I'm going to be rotating, finding even pressure between both legs towards the knee that's up. Hands going to be out at the side and hinging back.